performance game has got into a really serious zone. Qualcomm has just launched the Snapdragon 855 for the next-gen flagship smartphones. The company introduced some of the great upgrades at this summit, having 5G as their main weapon. The exciting part of this story is that Snapdragon 855 will support multi-gigabyte download speeds on 5G networks. That's a lot. I mean, we'll just have to touch our smartphone's screen and the world is in our hands. However, this technology will be limited to a couple of cities for now, and as soon as the market expands, you'll get to experience it. The Snapdragon 855 will expand your camera experience with the HDR10 Plus capture and playback, 4K video recording with adjustable portrait mode, and a more advanced real-time image recognition. When we talk about the performance, the Snapdragon 855 will offer a great gaming experience, and that clearly explains how powerful it would be. Additionally, we finally got to see a real confirmation for the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. For those who don't know, this is the most secure way to unlock a device through screen. Unlike an optical one, the ultrasonic tech is totally dependent on the sound waves to detect a fingerprint precisely. Now, this particular platform will run a batch of Galaxy S10, and we know Samsung, how they have started promoting the world's first 5G smartphone. Let's admit this, Samsung needs to recover losses, and the Snapdragon Summit was totally based on 5G. I mean, the company didn't even tease the specifics properly. So how could Samsung leave a chance to tease Galaxy S10? Ice Universe posted these pictures, and as you can see, this is a Samsung phone that we haven't seen in the past. It's connected to a 5G network via their stand. From the front, it looks like S9 except that corner notch which is hiding a hole in display tag. The back of this device sports a horizontal camera setup just like how the S10 is supposed to have. On Twitter, some people are pissed looking at that ugly notch. I must tell you, this is just a test phone and the real S10 will not admire a look like this. Instead, we'll see a true beauty. The camera cutout on the top will also be a lot smaller than we actually think it to be. For those who hate any type of black portion on a smartphone screen, Samsung will place this tag at top corner so that it becomes less interfering. Also, we'll be able to hide it, so it shouldn't be a big deal. And yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.